Jollof rice wey dey for bottom of pot today go dey for top of cooler tomorrow. Don't be that jollof rice that needs stew. I love you all. Keep watching. If it is not Ghana jollof, it's just rice. Pretend to be special. Ghana jollof is more than a meal. It's the fire, the flavor, and the festival of our heritage. Mwah. Ghana jollof isn't just food, it's pride on a plate, a taste of home with every spoonful. You get it? Let's enjoy the jollof rice. They say jollof rice isn't just food, it's a wall of pride, taste, and culture. Nigeria or Ghana, everyone claims the crown. But one thing is certain, jollof rice is more than a meal. It's fire, it's spice, it's a celebration of a plate. And today, you are about to see why this dish rules West Africa and beyond. You guys know jollof rice is my doings, my favorite. Let's watch and see. The name is Vidana Waka Doings, Vidana Waka Vibes on YouTube. Let's use this to do our air fryer. Double. I'm adding liquid butter. Yeah, liquid butter to do it. I added beetroot and carrots so that you can get a perfect jollof rice. You understand? You know, you all can know, or you all can see that every day my jollof rice is different. Yeah, so I'm adding my onion. I'm adding salt. I'm doing 2 cups of jollof rice. Yeah. I wanted to use the air fryer, but air fryer is also busy there. So if you are in the house, you don't have air fryer or busy, just fry it like this. Yeah. Or you can also blend them straight, no problem. If you, at the end you are going to get the perfect jollof rice you are expecting, you are free to do it. Yeah. So I'm using bell pepper, onion, carrots, beetroot, green pepper, and chili pepper, my tomatoes, so garlic, and added garlic and some of the onion. If you don't like garlic, it's not by force. Yeah. So it's cooked, so you blend them. This is fresh beetroots. I also roast saute a little of beetroot here, and carrots, chili pepper, bell pepper, green pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, thyme. Yeah, I come to blend it. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. My favorite. Twice grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears There I first believed. Through many dangers, toils, and snares, we have already come. 'Twas grace that brought us safe thus far, and grace will lead us home. Confidence is not achieved overnight. It can be achieved by learning from mistakes. It can be achieved by learning from experience. It is difficult to have confidence and believe in yourself when people do not allow you to be yourself. This is for you. My dear young people out there, do not bury your talent. The gift that God has given you, do not be afraid to dream of great things. And I beg you, let's talk about confidence. Don't waste life in fear. When you do something, do it with all your mind and confidence. Nothing great can be achieved with fear and doubt. Believe in yourself. Have faith in your abilities. Without a humble but reasonable confidence in your own powers, you cannot be successful or happy. Confidence is something you create within yourself by believing in who you are. That's why I always say, do not prove yourself to anyone. Prove yourself to yourself. The name is Bidana Waka Doings. Bidana Waka Vibes on YouTube. Now read it here. No hard feelings. You want the sauce to dry. Yeah. This is how I do my jollof rice. Black pepper. Cinnamon, nutmeg, lemon, black powder, chicken spices, ginger powder, nutmeg powder, garlic and onion powder. This is blended ingredient. Curry powder. Let me add a little vinegar so that it will not smell. The chicken is hard, that's why I added water. Yeah, it's hard. Not soft chicken, it's hard chicken. We are making a very simple, relaxed food. The flour, I add a white pepper, lemon, white salt. Yeah. So I'm adding meat stock. This is chicken stock. So the one I put was meat stock. Yeah, this one is a beef bones. Yeah, big bones, so that it will give the jollof rice taste. Maybe this is not how you cook your jollof rice, but remember, everyone has a different way of cooking their jollof rice. You understand? Yeah. So day and night we learn different things. We create different things. Yeah. My rice, I soak it with salt, vinegar, a little lemon juice. I soak my rice for 1 hour so that it will not take too much time to cook. Yeah, so now I have added my rice. Let's wait for some 30 minutes. It will be done. So my fried chicken is also done. So now we are waiting for the authentic the doings of my jollof rice. So the jollof rice is mixed with chicken and meat. I use a meat stock and also the chicken stock a little, but the meat stock is too many because I was having a lot of chicken stock there. Hey, okay, so the chicken is already fried and you can see it's so crispy outside, juicy inside. So now it's left with the authentic Debbie Diana Walker Doings jollof rice on fire. So the jollof rice is getting gosh. You see this jollof, this jollof could end friendship. It's that good. Nigerians and Ghanaians might fight, but everyone wants second of this. Don't watch this hungry, oh. I am warning you, oh, at the bag, oh. This be smoking jollof load na. Everything jollof the load, oh. 1 spoon, 1 passport to flavor. Because this is made with vibes, fire, and a little bit of flex. Try this jollof and forget your ex. Not your average pot of rice, oh, at the bag. This one got a whole story. The name is Bidiana Walker Doings. Bidiana Walker Vibes on YouTube. Now we dey here, no hard feelings. Hey. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hush. Hush. The jollof rice, see? This is how Ghana, we love our jollof. It should not be water. It should be 1-1-1-1. Yeah. It should be relaxed. This is how Ghana, we love our jollof rice. It should be colorful and also it should not be water. That smoky aroma, that pepper heat, that deep tomato flavor. Every grain of this jollof, pure magic. Soft, fluffy, spicy, rich. This jollof isn't just cooked though, it's crafted. This is the kind of jollof that makes silence fall at the table. Just pure enjoyment. Now we dey here. You guys know that jollof rice is my favorite. So let me praise my jollof rice. This is not just rice. This is jollof rice. Bidiana Walker Doings. Smoky, spicy, rich. The kind of flavor that starts a whole debate at the party. You can smell the flavor before you even hit the plate. This is how red jollof rice is done. No shortcuts, just straight fire. If your jollof doesn't slap like this, don't serve it. Now we dey here. Jollof rice is ionic, rich, vibrant, and full of flavor. You understand? Chai, Come and eat some. Come and eat some. This is not just rice, so this is jollof biryani waka doings. Smoky, spicy, rich, the kind of flavor that starts a whole debate at the party. Kai, you can smell the flavor before you even hit the